Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have this is a stereo amplifier, new stereo amplifier, and the AK55. Let's give this thing a try and show you guys what's in it and see how it all works. So we got a bag of goodies, and if I can get this out of the box, there we go, box is empty, and this is the device. Here. See what we got here. So this is upside down. This is what it looks like here. So it's like we've got our settings for bass and treble. It looks like it'll do FM radio on it, which is kind of cool. On and off switch, microphones, inputs. We've got our different little buttons here, I guess, for scanning the stations. I don't know, echo and delay and volume. And then we have a couple of inputs there. I guess this one here is for an MP3 if you have a USB stick with an MP3. Auxiliary input there, which we can try to hook up to our computer or something. And then we have here we have audio inputs. We have the RCA jack inputs. These are going to be to our speakers, which we'll hook up shortly. Here is our antenna, our FM antenna, which looks like there was one of those in the box. We have an optical input and power connector and another power connector. I guess you can power it through DC or through AC. I think we're going to do AC. So let's see what we got here. We have a remote control. Let's see, how is this? Oh, it's got one of those little pull tabs to make it go. So we'll take that off, and it's got all these different settings on here. We have, this is what I saw in the box. This here must be the FM antenna. So that will connect up to, where was that FM antenna button? I can't remember now where it was. It said it somewhere. FM antenna, this thing here. So I guess that's gonna go in there somehow. It's funny, it's a circle hole with a square device. But it looks like it goes that way, so it does fit in there. So funny. Okay, so there's that, and then we have the power adapter here, power plug. So we'll connect it up to our AC. So without any speakers or anything now, we're not gonna be able to do much. So let me go figure all that out, and I'll be back with a speaker, and then we'll give this thing a try. Well, here we are. I've got it connected now. I got it plugged in. I found there was a little antenna here for the that's where we plugged in the FM, although I'm in a shed, so we're not going to get any signal. But then here we have our different modes, so I got it all plugged in and everything. So here you can see we got Bluetooth, we have optical, coax, line in, I'm guessing that's the RCA lines, and then we have the radio, which I'm not going to get any radio. But then we are back to the Bluetooth again. And I just tried to connect, so hopefully my buddy here's one will connect. But I'm only gonna play it for 1 second when we get it. But you can see we got the bass and the treble, connectors here, and then here we sound. It gets loud. It gets very, very loud. This is surprisingly loud. I have to turn it off because of copyright stuff. But then here you go. And we have echo and delay. And you saw how it's super easy to connect up the battery. I only connected one speaker right now because I found this old dusty speaker that we can connect, and it sounded so good. But then it just connects up there. And so this is a great little amplifier. I'm gonna say this is awesome. It's gonna do everything. I like the way it does the Bluetooth too. So you just set this up in your house somewhere, whatever. You can have all your devices, and the remote works great. That's how I was changing the different modes. And we can do the volume from here as well. See here, I'm doing the volume as well. We're not playing anything right now, but you get the idea, and it's super cool, super neat, and it does everything. So, and then I can turn it off when I'm done. Thumbs up, awesome.